Hi everyone, coming on to make a card, and this is a similar layout that we're going to achieve. I have used the new needle and thread polymer stamp set from Stampin Up, and I also used the Thinlits, which are called Needlepoint Element, and you get 11 in the die set, and I've just got them here. So you've got this one here, which gives you the pergamano style, perforates into the card. You have got the pretty little labels perforation, and you have got some framelits, some tags. You have got some more stitching that you can put around your card. So we're going to get on and get it done. Okay, move that out of the way, and I'm going to bring in my card base, which I think I have cut it to the right size. Yes, so I have got an A6 card base in Very Vanilla. I have got a Blushing Bride, which measures 10 centimetres by 14.3 centimetres, and I am just going to put the perforation into it. So I'm going to bring up my Big Shot and just wind that back. Place my cardstock on, grab my die, what's the daisy, and I am just placing it on this side of the card. Okay, put my top plate on and just roll it through, and then roll it back. Oops. See. Roll it back. Sorry about the struggling. And we'll just get rid of that because I've die cut everything else. But because that's an element of the card base, I wanted to show you that. So then you just peel back and you have got your perforation into your card design. Okay, it is lovely. Then what we're going to do is I have took some of our Champagne Mist shimmer paint. So I'm just giving it a good shake up. And I'm using what's in the lid, because if I use the bottle I will spill it. So I'm just taking a tiny small paintbrush, adding some onto it, and I'm just going over the leaves. To add in a lovely bit of shimmer. Now you could use your Ink of Stella if you don't have the shimmer paint. That would be just as nice. But this just seems to add a lot more shimmer to it. And being a tiny bit darker colour, it's almost got a touch of grey to it. It just steps it up a little bit, I think. There we go. And I just turn my cardstock as I'm going, rather than working over the top of things. I'm just going in here with a little stroke on each, really, because some of this will get covered with the the dies that I've cut. So I'm just going in here with this one. Like that. Where did I put my little cloth? Let's go in. I'll just give that a wee wipe, and I will clean that properly once I've finished. So I'm just going to put the lid back on, and that's it, safe and out the way. So next up we'll start layering things together. So I have got my pattern there, and I have got the large flower which we're going to layer up. So I am just going to grab some Tombow and I'm just adding a few wee dots on there. Okay, bring that up. You can see the wee dots on the layer, and this sits a certain way, so I'm just trying to position it properly. That's it. And then we're going to pop that up on dimensionals. So I'm just going to grab my dimensionals. And I think I'll just snip this wee long one here, and that can go right across. And then we'll have one there. We can have a wee half one down there, and we can have a wee half one over here. That'll fit on. Yep. I'm just going to peel back. I'm going to position this up near the top here, okay, like so. Then we have got our sentiment, and this one I have used "People like you make the world a better place," and these cards are actually going out to people who donated to my birthday appeal on Facebook. I had an appeal for donations for a local hospice which have helped my family massively over the years. They cared for my mother-in-law, they've cared for two of my aunts, and they have cared for my uncle, and they've also gave aftercare to the family, which was absolutely essential. I nearly made a mistake there. So next up we have got this stamp here, and it's decorative. Okay, and we are going to stamp that on here with Blushing Bride, so it's tone on tone. So I'm just going to ink it up, and I'm doing half down here, then we're going to turn it, and we're going to do the other half up here. Like so. and I'll bring that up so you can see it in just a second. So you can see the design there. Very subtle, but it does make a difference. Then we are going to add our little sentiment just over the top where the two of them meet, so that you have got the decoration at the top and the decoration at the bottom. And I have die cut this from Very Vanilla, and I've used the Pretty Label punch and then added the Pergamano die over the top of it so that you get the nice perforation around it. And next up we are going to add some of these little flowers, and I have got quite a few of them cut, so I just need to pick them up and bring them over. And these are just going to be scattered about on our card. Doesn't need to be a rhyme or reason to where they go. Oops, the fingers are not playing ball today. Right, so move that aside. And I'm going to see if I can find some small mini dimensionals for these. There we go. Right. So I'm going to just turn my take your pick tool. And we'll just use this side. So I have got one up there. Take the back off. And we'll place that up there. Then we've got a small one up this side. Then we've got a little cluster down here. So I'm going to add this one on with glue. So I'm just using some Collal because it's right next to me. Oops. Turn that over, place it down. Then we have got one of these ones. So I hope you are all enjoying the new spring summer catalogue. There is a lot of beautiful stuff in it. I did get my paper share from Amanda the other day, and to be honest I haven't really looked through it very well, so I'm going to do that today. And I've also got a delivery due today with some of the new celebration things. I have got the Tea for Two and is it Tea Together? Tea Together I think it's called, and the dies with it from the celebration. And what else have I got due with it? Oh, the climbing roses and the trellis, I've got that coming as well. So there'll be a few more different projects coming up over the next week or so. So that's basically our card design done there. And we just need to pop it onto our card base. So I'm just going to give that a good fold down. Take my Tombow and just go around. And as you can see, there actually isn't much on there. It is literally little fine lines, just to make sure it stays where I want it. There we go. And that's it done. So that is using our new Needlepoint Nook is the name of the suite. If I can just find my catalogue. A little easier said than done. No, I've got it there. So this is it here. And you have got the paper line as well. You've got the little buttons, which I do have, but I don't think we really need them on there. Or will we add one into the centre maybe? Maybe we will. Just see what I've done with them. Because they are teeny tiny. I think we'll add one of these vanilla ones. And we need a wee mini glue dot. I'm just going to add that onto the centre of our little flower there. And just add with, there we go. So that's the little buttons that you get from Needlepoint Nook, and as I said, they're tiny, teeny tiny, but lovely. You also have the thread as well. You have got the olive linen thread. You've got the dies, stamp set, paper line, and you also have your cardstock, which is Balmy Blue, Blush and Bride, and your Old Olive. So it is a lovely suite. Papers, I must admit, I'm not overly keen on. I love the blue. And the pink's okay, the purple's alright, but to be honest, a few of the floral ones are just a bit too over the top for me. But everyone likes different things, so what I don't like, someone else will love. And I do love the actual suite. It's just the paper line I'm not 100% on. But as I said, if we were all the same, it'd be a boring world. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that, and I hope you have a wee go at it. All the dimensions and things will be over on my blog, just so you remember them, and the supplies that I've used in this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now.